there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an interesting piece of furniture. Solid, it has some cool carvings down here, but it's got these things, these flaps. They're like bookshelves. I'm gonna do something different with this. They just aren't sturdy. You can see I did some supports on them, but I feel like that's gonna be a problem for any customer who may purchase this. So let's do something different to it and see if it comes out cool. I'm honestly winging this. I don't really know what I'm doing. So hang in there with me. Maybe it'll end up just scrapped. I don't know. Do you ever start out anything thinking you're gonna do one thing and then something totally different turns out?
Calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love.
So this happened to me. I went on vacation and I took my 3 dogs and I decided it was New Year's Eve. It was pretty spontaneous. I was gonna go to Colorado to see my best friend. She lives in a little town up in the mountain called Woodland Park. Got there really late. It was already dark. Took the dogs in. We hung out. Went to sleep and woke up the next morning. Snow is everywhere. We're talking Woodland Park, Green Mountain Falls, Colorado. We're talking 20 degrees, ice and snow, packed like this. Deer on your doorstep, cougar on your roof, Colorado. So I got there on a Friday night. We wake up on Saturday. I'm supposed to leave on Sunday. We let the dogs go potty in the backyard, out on the leash, put them in the house, and we head out to breakfast. We get a phone call from my friend's daughter saying that she just came home. She opened the door and all 3 of my dogs took off. I have a poodle, a basset hound, and a little tiny mutt. They take off running. They don't know where they are. I'm not there. My car's not there. They have no idea. Savannah is freaking out. She's crying. She can't believe she lost my dogs. We drive back from the restaurant and begin the search. We find 2 of them, but not my poodle, not my good girl, not my best girl, not Roxy. So I may or may not have gotten myself into a pickle. Looks weird, right? There's just too much on the sides. Can you guys even see? See how it's got wings. Now it's flying. I don't know. We're gonna have to do something else. I'm thinking this trim, it's gotta come off.
I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.
So this is horrible, right? I'm in Colorado. My dog doesn't know where she is. She doesn't have any smell sense. She's never been there before. There's snow and ice everywhere. What am I gonna do?
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go.
So I call my husband, I call Hamish, and I'm like, babe, I lost Roxy. And he tells me, do not come home until you find that dog. You find Roxy.
Restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love, 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 love.
You know, by this point, I mean, it's getting sad, really sad. A full day and night had gone by. It's 20 degrees. She's a poodle from New Mexico. She doesn't know anything about snow and freezing temperatures and cougars and deer and mountain lions.
Mind and body just can't agree.
Bleed through is gonna happen. I just keep cleaning it and cleaning it and cleaning it, and my towel is just filthy. So we're gonna use Bullseye Shellac. This is a good product to block the tannins and dirts and oils from pulling out when we paint it. I'm gonna put 2 coats of this on it. We'll let them dry about a half hour in between, and then we'll be ready to paint.
Calm down and watch it dry.
So Carrie has a really good idea. She said, I'm gonna put it in the Woodland Park Buy and Sell, the little group on Facebook, and see if anybody has seen her.
I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more pain. I calm down and I watch it dry. And there it is, my
Oh my gosh, this community is so wonderful. These people came out of the woodland helping me look for my dog. I had women with boots on. We had snow up to our knees, walking, calling my dog's name, helping me look. I don't know these women. A lady named Kelly Case was actually the primary one helping me look for my dog. So it's an interesting look. It may have gotten a little crazy with the vinegar. It's possible. I'm not gonna. Anyways, let's do more. Here we go.
see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away.
While I was out walking looking for my dog, I had people driving by, stopping in their cars and asking me if I had seen a white poodle, because they were out looking for my dog, and I don't know them. I mean, what?
Been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry. And there it is, my
I lost my dog on Saturday morning. It was Monday now. That's a lot of lights, a lot of alone time for a poodle. She has a collar on. If somebody found her, she has her tag, they would have called me by now. I'm thinking she's got to be dead, and my husband is just saying, she's there, you'll find her, you'll find her. She's got to be dead, right?
mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. I lose my self-restraint.
On that Monday, it was a snow day. You know, I don't know if you know, to have a snow day in the mountains of Colorado, there has to be a lot of snow. That's how much snow there was. They called a snow day. These this lady calls and she's like, my son's found your dog. Are you missing your dog? Oh my God. We drove over there. She was 3 miles from home and she was fine. It just goes to show, I went to have fun, to celebrate the new year with my friend, ended up spending the entire time crying, looking for my dog. But it had a happy ending. Roxy is fine, and I still have her, and she is everything to me.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.
I honestly had no idea when I started this piece what I was going to do with it and if it would even hold up. All I knew is I needed to do something. So what do you guys think? I think it turned out pretty cool. It's a good little bar, kitchen table. It's got storage. You could even put a bartender behind here. All in all, I think it came out pretty cool. A couple retro stools, and it is the perfect fit.
React and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let.
Thank you guys for watching. This is Melanie. Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.
That means we've been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done.